Hi guys, in this video we are going to run Ollama using Windows. If you have seen my videos on Ollama, running multiple instances of Ollama or ChatGPT-like interface for Ollama, private chat with your documents with Ollama, or auto-select the best LLMs for your user prompt using Ollama, I've done everything using my Mac. But I've had many requests asking to show the configuration on how to run on Windows. Now it is not available for Windows right now, but what we have is for Linux, and we can run this Linux on Windows. So let's get started and see how we can configure this. So we can install the Windows system for Linux. So we can install the Linux on my Windows using this command, wsl install. But before that, let me go through step by step. So step one is you need to go to this turn feature on and off here. And here specifically you need to select two things. First is the virtual machine platform. Need to keep this on, and then this Windows system for Linux, and say OK. So that is step one. In the step two, we are going to do this wsl install. So I'm going to go to my command prompt, and here I'm going to say wsl -- install. Okay, press enter, and it will go through the installation and all the process. Now, since I have already installed this, therefore it is launching the Ubuntu. But in your case, you will see a bunch of steps of the process being installed. So this is done. Now I'm going to close this. So I have wsl install Windows system for Linux. Now if I go to start button and say wsl, we can see this wsl is available. I have Ubuntu installed as well. So next step, that is step number 3, we need to go to command prompt again and say this wsl user root. So the user is a root and distribution is the Ubuntu. Okay, so when we say this, it is going to load up Ubuntu. Now I am inside my Ubuntu, specifically inside the root folder. Then here what we're going to do is we need to type this command, the command that we have here. So curl https this command. So we say curl https / we say ollama.ai /install.sh and this. So it is going to install the Ollama in your system. So let's wait for it. Guys, if you have any other questions, if you like to see any other configurations, please feel free to comment on the comment section, and I will be happy to make a video. This has been a demand from so many of the viewers, and I think this should be a wonderful step for each and every one of the Windows users on my channel. Now, since I don't have NVIDIA GPU detected, so it will run on CPU mode only, I'm going to show you my system. This is my system. I have this integrated graphics, and not much, but still you can see the speed here. So it's running on the CPU only mode. And now what I can do is I can start the serve. So I can say Ollama and say serve. So when I say serve, it will start up the port here 11434. And this is, since I've already loaded this, so this is showing that this is already in use, but it is being used by Ollama itself. The next step is our famous running. So Ollama run mistral. When you do this for the first time, it is going to install or pull manifest the mistral from the server. But since I already have mistral installed and pulled once, so it's ready. So what you can say, tell me a joke, my favorite command. See the speed of inference, not bad, right? Let's give a longer one. Write me a story. Write me a short story in in 1000 words. Let's see the inference now. Guys, you can see it is running in only CPU only mode, but still I am getting very good results in the inference. It was a beautiful summer day and the sun shone brightly in the sky. Pretty good. Jane, a young woman in her mid-20s, sat on a bench in the park, enjoying the warmth of the sun. As you can see, little slower than my Mac device, but still pretty great, and this is what you wanted. So you can call up any of the model here. You can say Ollama run any of the models. So we have new models here as well. You can see the most popular, or you can say by newest. So we have DeepSeek LM, Meditron. There's a medical domain large language model. We have Starling LM, Orca, DeepSeeker Code. So many models you can run. This opens the pathway for you to not be limited by the system that you have, because since now you have it running on the Windows as well. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please like the video and share this video. I will put down the steps in the description. Also, if you like, please join my channel. It's cheap, but you can be a part of this amazing community. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please check out the other videos on my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.